Hello and welcome to Unwrap Mania. Today we are going to unbox and have a quick overview of the new 24-inch iMac. After the video you will have a good understanding of the basic features and also the differences between the available price points. So without any further ado, let's do this! Interestingly, the first difference to the previous model starts with how we open the packaging. We won't start with the box in an upright position, instead we will lay it down. In addition, you can also see right away which color your iMac has and if it is the entry-level model. Like in this case, because it only comes with two Thunderbolt USB 4 ports, it will not have two additional USB 3 ports like the other versions. So if you're a burglar or anything like that, go for the box with the 4 Thunderbolt ports on the packaging. But you didn't hear that from me, of course. Anyway, much more important and desirable is the environmental friendly approach for the packaging. The material used for the box is so-called virgin wood fiber, which comes exclusively from responsibly managed forest. Even the handle is made out of that fiber. And I have to add, the material of the packaging still has the same premium feel that we are used to from Apple. But it does not stop there. The rare earth elements that are needed for speakers, fan motor and power connector magnets are completely recycled. I really like Apple's eco-friendly approach here. But now let's start opening the box. Okay. Let's open the box. And we are greeted right away by the classic hello that was first used by the iconic 1984 Macintosh. I like how everything seems to make sense right away. A very thought through design. We just pull here on the side, the bottom opens up and the iMac reveals itself. Then we can just lift up the iMac, which is super light. I'm very surprised. After that we will get a little hint what we can expect inside the box. So let's take a look. And yes, we have the magic keyboard, the magic mouse, the power cord adapter and the power cord to Mac cable. Okay, so all the accessories are outside of the box. So let's take a closer look, starting with the intro material. Inside we have two Apple stickers, one matching the red on the back of the Mac and one the rose gold that we can see in the front of the Mac. And then some basic instructions and where we can find the ports on the Mac. Next up, the Thunderbolt USB port cable, which has again this virgin fiber material here, which feels very nice. After that, we have the power cord adapter with the magnetic end, which makes it super easy to plug in. And you don't have to worry that it's super loose. As you can see, I'm pulling here already and the Mac is even tilting back down and it's still connected firmly. Everything feels again super solid, very premium, very nice. And here we can also see that we have the entry-level model because we do not have an additional slot for the Ethernet. Both other versions come with it. Here we would have to pay $30 extra to get that feature. Then the power cord. So now we just have the Magic Keyboard and the Magic Mouse left. Both the Magic Keyboard and the Magic Mouse are matching again the color of our iMac. Very nice. And in both cases we see here the port for the Thunderbolt to charge the Magic Mouse and the Magic Keyboard. The Magic Keyboard is available in 3 versions. The basic version with Touch ID or the white version with number pad on the side and Touch ID. My entry-level Mac comes of course with the entry-level Magic Keyboard, but you can also get the other variants for some cash. Okay, let's unveil the Mac. And very nice, very important. Let's show how I remove the wrap from the back. So here is the new iMac in all its beauty. The build quality is excellent. Full aluminium case except the full glass front. We can tilt the iMac. Unfortunately, we still can't adjust the height. On the back we have the power button and the 2 Thunderbolt USB 4 ports, and unfortunately the missing USB 3 port that we only have for the higher priced models. The audio port we find now on the side of the screen, and the simple reason of that is that the 3.5mm audio connector is too thick for the slim iMac design. Besides the missing logo in the middle, the new iMac also comes now with a white frame around the display instead of a black one that the previous model has. I think this works well for work applications and browsing, but it might not work so well for darker sources such as movies. What do you think? Which design do you prefer? And do you miss the Apple logo? Let me know in the comments below. I might use the sticker to bring it back. When you purchase your iMac, you can choose between 7 vibrant colors. Unfortunately, not all of them are available for the entry-level model. So you will have to pay extra if you want to have your Mac in yellow, orange or purple. So, what's my verdict then for the new 24-inch iMac? The build quality and the design is very good. The 1080p camera, the 6-speaker audio system and the studio quality mics deliver very good performance and are indeed the best we ever experienced in an iMac. Also new to the iMac is Touch ID, which makes it easier than ever to securely log in to your iMac. And the new display just looks so darn good and adjusts very well to changes in brightness. However, you really have to pay at least $1,500 to get the mid-tier level model to have the additional ports, all color options available, and to get the fully equipped M1 chip, which is disappointing. Furthermore, the lack of height adjustment is, to put it nicely, disappointing. Nevertheless, if you like and enjoy Apple products, definitely go for it. You will love it. Otherwise, I think you can get more bang for the buck with other options. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think about the new iMac and which color you would pick. And don't forget to click on my face to subscribe. See you guys next time.